I will. Hi, Abby. You gonna do the puzzle?
Yeah.
All right.
Can I watch?
Sure.
Sure. I see Abby.
Uh-huh, me too. She's doing the puzzle. Sophia, do you want to work on your puzzle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need some help.
Sure. I'll help you as soon as I get done videotaping Abby, okay?
Okay. I can just do this hippopotamus and this flowers.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on with this? Shoe.
I'm watching you, Abby.
I can do up here.
It's beautiful singing, Abby. Yeah, what you got? Is it
The rain.
Oh, it's a grass?
Yeah, the rain. Look, Mama.
That's super, Sophia. You're doing great. You did it, Abby.
I did it.
Yeah, you were so patient. That is amazing. You know right where that piece goes, don't you? Up in the trees?
I need to go potty.
Okay.
Watch. chop.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It is. I dropped it. I did it!
You got it. Awesome. Okay, back to the puzzle.
There's two.
Okay.
There's two.
You got 2 pieces?
Yes.
All right.
1, 2.
1, 2. Very good.
This goes this.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yes.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
I'm
I'm
video.
watching my mommy.
Here you are. Can I watch you do your puzzle?
Yes.
Do it.
Okay.
Abby's new name is Patience.
No, that's good.
She's been working on this puzzle for 6 minutes.
I just settled on my puzzle when I'm looking.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay.
Hee
I
hee.
dropped it.
It's okay. I'll get it. I'll get it. You sit. You keep putting your pencil together. I'll get it. There you go.
2.
Look at the pictures and see if you can get it too.
2.
That's right. There you go. Great job. Keep going.
Okay. I'm doing a puzzle, Daddy.
Yeah. Come here. Let me hold you.
It's right here.
Oh, I see. Well, here, I'll turn it towards you. You can sit down right there and work on that puzzle. Oh, brilliant, Abby. Well done. Scoot it over a little bit. Great job.
You almost did it.
Oop.
Whoopsie.
Great job. Well done, Abigail.
It's my mom.
Yeah, you're doing great. Keep going.
They helping me.
I think you can do it. I want to watch you do it.
We're going to see Abby, big girl, do it all by herself, right? You guys show Daddy.
Okay.
I'm going to make a video so you can show Grandma and
Okay.
Mama. They'll be so proud.
Ooh, that's the right one. Great job.
Baby, look at this. There's a tree.
Uh-huh. Put it back.
There's a right here.
That's right. Great job.
Okay. And there's more pieces.
Brill. Hee hee. Great job.
I still think this.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
Yeah, it's okay. You're doing good. Oh, well done, Abigail.
I love to do puzzles.
It's okay. Just scoot it a little bit and it'll work. Just a little bit out of way. Great.
This is for the bow.
Try it again.
That's right. It's a basketball goal.
There's a basketball too.
That's
There's
right.
2 basketballs.
Yeah, they match, don't they?
Yeah.
Can you make them match?
Oh, my nightgown.
You drop it on your nightgown.
Yeah. It's so silly. I'm silly.
You are silly. You're also very smart.
I am. I am so. I am stopping.
You what?
I am stopping.
It looks like you only have 2 pieces left. What do you
2
think?
pieces?
Yeah, only 2 pieces. Oh, there it is. There it is. Now the very last one, Abby.
One.
Push it, push it. Great job!
You did it.
You did the puzzle.
Let mommy see a picture of the puzzle, okay? Ooh, look at that. And a picture of you. Say, I did it.
He did it.